Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mediums in acrylic painting. Acrylic mediums are fantastic tools that change how your paint behaves, affecting its consistency, drying time, and even its final sheen. They allow you to achieve a wide range of artistic effects, from creating thick, textured surfaces to smooth, transparent glazes. Understanding these versatile products will significantly expand your creative possibilities. Let's explore some common acrylic mediums. Gel mediums, for instance, are perfect for adding thickness and texture, helping your brush strokes stand out. Flow improvers make your paint more fluid for smooth washes and staining. Glazing mediums are excellent for building up transparent layers and extending your working time. And retarders are specifically designed to slow down drying, giving you precious extra minutes for blending. When mixing, always begin with a small quantity of medium. A good starting point is often 1 part medium to 4 parts paint, but this can vary. Mix them thoroughly on your palette until you reach your desired consistency. You can then apply your custom mixture using brushes, palette knives, or other tools. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ratios to find what works best for your artistic vision. For best practices, always work in a well-ventilated area, especially with certain mediums, to ensure good air circulation. Clean your brushes and tools immediately after use to prevent the mediums from drying and hardening. Store your mediums in airtight containers, keeping them away from extreme heat or cold. Finally, always consult the manufacturer's instructions for any specific product guidelines or safety recommendations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.